Session.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Okay, no issue.
No problem.
Yeah. Okay, yes. Introduce yourself and ask your query.
Uh, Myself, Kishore, sir. I am from Belgaum, Karnataka,
Hmm.
and I have completed my diploma in 2015 in
Okay.
mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
And I have career gap till now 8 years, sir.
2013 you have
2015,
completed, right?
2015, sir.
2015. Okay.
And I joined. Actually, I wanted to shift from non-IT to IT, so I joined a core master course in IntelliPad platform.
Oh, IntelliPad. How much fee
Uh,
you paid over there? How much fees?
Actually, it was showing 50,000, but I paid only 25,000.
Oh my God.
That is also in one time.
Mm-hmm. Instead of IntelliPad, you should go with offline classes. It will better for you. But you already
Yeah,
paid,
but
right?
that time I was working as a works manager in Tata Motors, so I can't leave, resign a
Yeah,
job
yeah,
and
yeah. Okay,
join.
okay.
So
Right now you
that's
are working
why.
or you leave your job.
Actually, right now I have 1 month leave, so I taken 1 month leave for this purpose only.
Okay, but you
For
you are diploma candidate. You don't have any external
no,
degree or
my
something.
degree. Actually, I'm planning external degree, but after getting a job only, then I will try to do that course.
Yeah, issue is that you have the around 8 years of experience, right? Since you
Eight
pass
years
out in
of.
2015 till now, you are doing some job in somewhere, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That is also I shared, discussed with the IntelliPad team everything. They
Mhm.
told it's okay if you don't face any problem because of the degree also.
Mhm.
And degree not mandatory for you. They told this this thing.
Yeah,
Then they
degree is not
suggested me.
mandatory, but some MNC companies have the basic criteria. You should have a minimum graduation.
Sure,
If you
yeah.
check the TCS and Infosys companies' career page, they
Hmm.
expecting a minimum of any graduation. Means not
Hmm.
technical graduation. You should have a plain graduation as well.
Sir, what I am planning is I don't have any degree, but so I am not actually. One second. Buying. Sorry, sir, for the disturbance, sir.
Yeah, yeah, no issue.
Actually, I don't have a degree, so I don't want to join MNC also. I can join any startup because of my experience, and then I will gain experience about 2, 3 years. Then I will do external degree at the same time only. Then I will get a degree also. Then after 2, 3 years, I will jump to MNCs. It is
Okay.
okay for me to start up also. It's okay for me.
Yeah, it's okay, but the salary issue will become it's a matter because around 8 years experience we have, and if you want to join any startup company, so your package will be uh, very less. What is your date of
Hmm.
birth now?
94, sir.
94 means you are married or single?
No, sir, single.
Okay, single. Then you can survive, right? Yeah, yeah. You can try, bro. Actually, you need to find out that the small scale industries on the Google
Hmm.
and apply
Hmm.
accordingly
Hmm.
with their with the pages, career pages, and if you have any reference or if you have any other someone
Hmm.
who provides a job opportunity for the freelancing as well. So you can try with that. I think.
In that course, they taught me about the automation, sir. Automation Selenium with Java,
Mhm.
and also DevOps course. Also, it was there. The live classes were SQL, Selenium, and DevOps. Sir. Actually, three was the live classes.
Yeah, means manual testing, automation testing, and Selenium, right?
Selenium,
Yeah.
sir. DevOps. They told DevOps also,
Mhm.
and recorded just manual ETL and Hadoop was a recorded sessions. Actually, I don't have a grip on that
Okay, no issue.
because it was.
Manual is not that much of hard. If you learn
Hmm.
personally without
Hmm.
any taking a help, you could learn manual testing in 15 days only.
Hmm.
If you give a full time, it will be 1 week. It's more than enough for manual testing. It's the only theoretical part, but you should groom it out first.
Hmm.
No, not an hard and not an a big challenge of in manual testing. So no need to worry
Okay,
about
sir,
that.
one more thing. Everyone is telling that we should add some fake experience to get a job.
No,
How?
actually, you have an experience, right? You already have an
But it is a
experience.
non-IT field, no,
No,
sir.
no
That is
issue, no
not
issue.
useful.
If you show you are very passionate about a software testing,
Okay.
so you could switch, no issue. But it's your responsibility, your risk to take a fake experience.
Mm-hmm.
It's your responsibility and it's your choice. Because
Okay.
I never support a fake experience to anyone.
Mm-hmm.
If you go with the
And
fake experience, I'm 100% and damn sure that the experience which who is giving to you, they are not able to provide a proper document. So you are
yeah.
experienced guide, you should know everything about the documents. Salary slip everyone can make, okay?
Hmm.
Then a bank
Oh,
statement everyone can make, but
yeah.
form number 16 and PF account, that will be
Hmm.
not,
That will be problem.
yeah, it's not possible.
But because of this diploma and 8 years of gap, I don't getting
No, no, no.
calls. It is
No,
very
no, no.
difficult to get
Sure,
the
you
calls.
need to show your non-IT experience.
Okay. Should I add in my resume and
Yes, yes.
LinkedIn
You need
profile
to
also?
add it resume and
Okay.
just add it from this to this. I'm working in my core field in mechanical engineering, and
Okay.
just add your something about course
Okay.
in your resume for software related things, and so manual testing,
Hmm.
automation, Selenium with Java, API
Hmm.
testing with Postman, and everything.
Hmm. And sir, what are the mandatory skills we need to do for automation? They are told, but I'm
What?
ensuring
Can you
these
repeat your
skills.
question again?
What are the skills and tools, sir, for
Tools.
getting a
Yeah,
job?
yeah. Tools means in API testing, Postman you should learn
Okay.
Java, the theoretical concept and basic programming you need to learn. And if
Okay.
you ask especially about the framework, BDD framework, Cucumber, and
Hmm.
bug tracking tool like Jira and HPLM will be there. But Jira is the
Hmm.
very popular tool. Most of companies are use the Jira tool.
Bug tracking for
Yes,
bug
bug
tracking.
tracking tool.
Okay. Hmm.
So you can check it out. So
Okay.
in testing there is no many tools like that. Just you should know about what is the Jira or what is the HPLM, how it works, everything.
Hmm.
No specific tool.
In that
That project
training,
management tool or bug tracking tool, it will be varied company by company. So no need to worry.
okay.
But you should gain
In
some knowledge about Jira mostly as
okay,
compared to the
okay.
HPLM.
They didn't talk about Jira.
No, no, they will definitely talk about one of tracking tool, not even Jira. There is Salesforce
Hmm.
as well. Initial phase we use the Salesforce as well. So Salesforce also
Hmm.
a tracking tool.
Okay,
HPSM is
okay,
there
okay.
one. HP Service Manager tool is there also. I
Hmm.
already work around 3 4 tools, but Jira is the most popular.
Okay, okay. Okay, that is the question.
Mm.
Yes.
No issue. You can do a search on Google and YouTube as well about Jira, and also you can buy in 100 rupees project on Udemy as well about the Jira.
Okay. Hmm.
So need not to worry. It's not big challenge.
Hmm. Sir, from your side, do you recommend for any internship or anything job offer
Yeah,
or
yeah.
something?
If you get a chance to do internship, whatever it is a small scale or MNCs or it will be a paid. So
Okay.
if you decide you need to switch from non-IT to IT, so you need to do an internship. But internship it will be added advantage to get a job.
Hmm. Hmm.
I think since last I don't know you are following me on YouTube or not. Since last 2 3 days I have published one video. In that video I have already shared 2 3 Better
Sir,
sales or
I
internship?
registered in that, sir.
Registered, no? Right, great.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I seen that video.
Mm-hmm.
So because only my question is, I have 8 years of gap from non-IT to IT and also don't have a degree. That is the big question for me,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. See, Kishore, you are experienced that I think degree will be not get in the between your job and career gap. So
Okay.
I think you need to just mention from this year to this year you are work in your core field as a this manager. What you will post, but rest of
Hmm.
things you need to prepare a resume as per the software testing.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
but you need to mention it that you have worked in 8 years of in your core field.
Hmm.
You passed out in 2015, and since 2015 to till date, or whatever your experience you need to mention in 2 3
Hmm.
lines only. No need to give all the roles and responsibilities like that. Okay, and rest of
Okay.
things
Okay.
you can you can analyze your CV
Okay, sir.
as per industry needs or ATS friendly resume. Do you know the ATS friendly
Hmm.
resume?
Sir, I know a little about that, and
Yeah,
I'm preparing for a resume,
yeah.
and so I will share with you after some days, sir. That you also check from your side also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. No issue. You can.
I'm preparing for that. I will share, sir, after
Yes.
some days.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's it, sir. That's all I'm asking about.
Okay, okay. No issue. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask something, or if you have schedule one interview, okay, and they have given any
Hmm.
task, you can reach me on WhatsApp. Uh,
Sir, you can you schedule mock interviews and something that
right now the schedule is busy, bro. Right, I cannot.
it's okay, not
Yeah.
now only, but in
Yeah,
future.
yeah, yeah, yes. You can share your resume on Pradip.Khedkar at 187 at the rate gmail.com. Correct email ID you can find on every YouTube video description box. Just check
Okay,
it out
okay,
and
sir.
mention your subject as a mock interview so I can find it out.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
And if you have any other want to ask, you can ping me on my WhatsApp. Do you have my WhatsApp number?
This number only, so I will pay
Yeah, yeah,
payment.
yeah. We already discussed on
Okay,
chat.
I have that.
Yeah,
Okay.
no issue.
Uh,
Okay.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Yeah, no issue. Shall I post this on YouTube?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, no
Thank you so
problem.
much. Thank you for allowing me. Thank you so much, bro.
Okay,
Have a
thank
good
you.
day. Bye.